Case study, balancing technological advancement and ethical responsibility. A case study on AI integration in CyberShield Solutions' cybersecurity operations. AI's transformative potential in cybersecurity hinges not only on its technological prowess, but also on rigorous ethical and governance frameworks that ensure its responsible application. At CyberShield Solutions, a leading cybersecurity firm, the integration of AI ethics and governance into their operations illustrates the critical balance between technological advancement and moral responsibility. CyberShield Solutions deploys AI-driven systems to protect its clients from a myriad of cyber threats. The company leverages machine learning algorithms to detect anomalies, automate threat responses, and predict future vulnerabilities. However, the deployment of these AI systems has raised several significant ethical and governance challenges. Chief among these is the concern over algorithmic bias. For instance, their threat detection system, Sentinel AI, initially exhibited a higher false positive rate for certain regions, inadvertently flagging more cybersecurity threats in developing countries than in developed ones. This disparity led to a crucial question. How can CyberShield ensure that Sentinel AI is free from biases that might lead to discriminatory practices? The team at CyberShield conducted an exhaustive audit of Sentinel AI's training data. They discovered that the datasets were predominantly sourced from developed countries, skewing the algorithm's sensitivity. To address this, they diversified their data sources and incorporated a broader range of threat scenarios. This adjustment not only improved the system's accuracy, but also underscored the importance of representative datasets in AI training. This case emphasizes that mitigating bias in AI systems is not only a technical challenge, but also an ethical imperative to ensure fairness and equality. Another challenge CyberShield faced was the transparency and explainability of their AI models. Sentinel AI often made critical cybersecurity decisions autonomously, but the black box nature of these decisions posed a transparency issue. How could the company ensure that their AI's decision-making processes were transparent and explainable to their clients? To tackle this, CyberShield adopted an explainable AI framework. They integrated methods that provided insights into how Sentinel AI arrived at its decisions, such as feature-important scores and decision paths. This transparency not only enhanced client trust, but also allowed CyberShield's engineers to identify and rectify errors more effectively. Researchers like Doshi Velez and Kim have highlighted how explainable AI can build trust and accountability, making it a crucial aspect of ethical AI deployment. Privacy concerns also emerged as a critical issue, especially given the vast amounts of data Sentinel AI processed. Clients were increasingly worried about how their data was being used and stored. What measures could CyberShield implement to protect user privacy while leveraging AI for cybersecurity? CyberShield adhered to stringent data protection regulations, like the General Data Protection Regulation. They implemented robust encryption, anonymization techniques, and strict access controls to safeguard sensitive information. Moreover, they established clear data usage policies and ensured that data collection was limited to what was necessary for threat detection. These measures not only complied with legal requirements, but also maintained public trust and protected individual rights. Governance frameworks were equally critical in CyberShield's AI strategy. The company recognized the need for robust policies, standards, and regulations to guide the ethical use of AI. But what specific governance mechanisms could CyberShield adopt to ensure responsible AI deployment? Drawing inspiration from the European Commission's guidelines for trustworthy AI, CyberShield developed its own ethical guidelines emphasizing fairness, accountability, and transparency. They established an AI ethics board to oversee AI projects and ensure compliance with these principles. Additionally, CyberShield participated in international forums and collaborated with other organizations to harmonize AI policies and share best practices. One of the critical governance challenges was dealing with adversarial attacks. Sentinel AI, like other AI systems, was vulnerable to such attacks, where malicious actors could deceive the system into making incorrect decisions. How could CyberShield enhance the robustness of their AI systems against such threats? CyberShield invested in research and development to fortify Sentinel AI against adversarial attacks. They deployed advanced defense mechanisms, such as adversarial training, which exposed the AI models to adversarial examples during training to improve their resilience. They also implemented continuous monitoring to detect and respond to any suspicious activities promptly. These measures significantly enhanced the integrity and security of Sentinel AI, ensuring it remained reliable even under attack. The ethical and governance considerations also extended to the potential impact of AI on the workforce. The automation of cybersecurity tasks through Sentinel AI raised concerns about job displacement. How could CyberShield address the workforce changes brought about by AI automation? CyberShield proactively invested in reskilling and upskilling programs for their employees. They offered training in AI and cybersecurity to help workers transition to new roles created by AI advancements. Additionally, they fostered an inclusive environment by involving employees in discussions about AI's impact, ensuring transparency, and addressing their concerns. This approach not only mitigated the negative effects of job displacement, but also empowered employees to embrace the evolving technological landscape. To conclude, CyberShield Solutions' experience underscores the paramount importance of integrating AI ethics and governance into cybersecurity operations. Addressing algorithmic bias through diversified datasets, enhancing transparency with explainable AI, safeguarding privacy with robust data protection measures, adopting comprehensive governance frameworks, and fortifying AI systems against adversarial attacks are all crucial steps. Furthermore, by investing in workforce reskilling and fostering an inclusive environment, organizations can ensure that the benefits of AI are shared equitably. Through these initiatives, CyberShield has not only harnessed the full potential of AI in cybersecurity, but also set a benchmark for responsible and ethical AI deployment.